Did you know Google Chrome has advertising and tracking settings running in the background that many people never check? If you want more privacy while browsing, there's a simple setting you should disable right now. Open Google Chrome on your device. Now click on the three-dot menu in the top corner of the browser. From the menu, select Settings. Once you're inside Settings, go to Privacy and Security. Now look for the section called Ad Privacy and open it. Inside here, tap on Ad Measurement. This feature allows websites and advertisers to measure how ads perform using certain activity data from your browser. While Chrome says the information is processed with privacy protections, many users still prefer to disable it for better privacy and less tracking. So if you wanted to reduce hidden ad analysis on your device, simply turn Ad Measurement off. Once disabled, advertisers will have less ability to track ad performance based on your browsing activity. A quick privacy setting that can help make your browsing experience feel more secure and less monitored while you use the internet.